Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna make my absolutely most favorite meatloaf. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, stick around, let's get to it. So here's our ingredients, kind of already have it laid out. We're going to need salt, pepper. A lot of these recipes call for 1 egg, I like to use 2. We have 3/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion. We're going to have some ketchup and some barbecue sauce, and of course 2 pounds of ground beef. So the first thing we're going to do, get our ground beef injection right into the bowl. And in no particular order, I'm going to go with some eggs, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, our minced garlic, our onion, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and this is just going to be kind of seasoning to your own liking. And now we just mix. Of course, you want to make sure you wash your hands before you do this, unless you're serving this to people you don't like. And then if you're doing that, make sure you work on the car first. All right, now that you got it mixed, you're just going to transfer it from your mixed pan over to your cook pan. And here's kind of our glaze. It's 1/2 cup of ketchup and 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. And I've already mixed this together, as you can see. I'm just going to glaze that onto the top. So preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to throw it in there for around an hour or until the internal temperature of the meatloaf gets to about 160 degrees. So let's go and do that. All right, it's been a little bit over an hour. Put on my nice little oven gloves. Pull this out and we're going to take the temperature and see where we're at. Okay. So you can see we're not quite there, so we'll leave it in another 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, check the temperature. We are good to go. So let's take a little tasty. And I'll say really what I like to do is I like to make a little bit more of that sauce and I'll slather it on here. I think that's delicious. So let's take a little bite here. So easy, so good. Make sure you guys try this. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.